ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الناس كلوا مما في الأرض حلالا طيبا ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين. Verses of the Quran. Respected presidents, respected members of this madrasa, all committee, my teacher guest and my dear madrasa, all friends. My name is Rashid Mandol. My father name is Kopon Mandol. In ill circumstances, we must avoid the haram and take only halal food. My important topic is halal and haram. Verses of the Quran. I am also a student, Borgachi Darussalam Madrasa, PS Gajal District, Malda in West Bengal. Verses of the Quran. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. This is the book about which there is no doubt a guidance for those conscious of Allah. Surah Al-Baqarah, verses number 2. Verses of the Quran. يا أيها الناس كلوا مما في الأرض حلالا طيبا ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين. يا أيها الناس كلوا مما في الأرض حلالا طيبا. O people, eat of what is lawful and clean in the earth. ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان, and do not follow the ways of Shaitan. إنه لكم عدو مبين, for he is our avowed enemy. Being our creator and Lord, Allah loves and takes care of us, and He knows better what is good and what is bad for us. He has provided us with numerous foods on this earth. He has permitted us to take pure and wholesome food for our own good. He has permitted us to take and wholesome foods. He has forbidden us sin foods, so that we do not fall ill by taking them. If we take such forbidden food, we will anger Allah and God's will. Verses of the Quran. يا أيها الذين آمنوا كلوا من طيبات ما رزقناكم واشكروا لله إن كنتم إياه تعبدون. O people, eat of what is love, إياه تعبدون. You who have believed it from the good and grateful to Allah, things which we have provided for you, and grateful to Allah if it is Him that you worship. The food that Allah has permitted us to, it is called halal food. The one halal means unlawful or error. The food that Allah has forbidden us is called haram food. The one haram means unlawful or prohibited. In these circumstances, we must avoid the haram. We all say Amin. I conclude with this. I conclude my speech here. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.